Dear students, we have read a chapter noun, singular and plural, and we have read all rules that is given in your book for the formation of plurals. Today we will do a exercise. What is an exercise? What is there? Change the number of the following nouns. Clear? What you have to do? You have to change the number of the following nouns. Our first is mango. Clear? So, how will you change mango? What is in last? O. And the noun who ends with O, what will you add? Es. Mango, mangoes. And what is second? Oxen. Clear? It is plural na? So what will the singular of this say? Oxen, ox. Our third is glasses. It is also plural. Singular will be glass. Our fourth is fit. फिट क्या आपका प्लूरल फॉर्म है एंड सिंगुलर विल बी फुट. फिफ्थ है टॉय. एंड कौन सा रूल फॉलो होगा यहाँ पे? व्हाट इज़ द रूल? जो भी नाउन वाई पर एंड होता है तो उसके साथ आप क्या लगाते हो? वाई को रिप्लेस करके IES. लेकिन जब आपका नाउन वाई पर एंड होता है और उससे पहले क्या होता है? vowel. Clear? So what will you add there for making plural? S only. Toy, toys. And in sixth, what is in last? Y na? Here is also Y, but before Y what is here? D, and here O. So O is vowel, so we will not remove Y, we will add only S. But in lady we will replace Y with IES. Lady, ladies. Classes, it is plural na, so singular will be class. Next है geese. It is also plural, singular will be goose. City, what is in last? Y na, so Y को replace करके IES. City, cities. Church, CHURCH, churches. Baby, babies. Heroes, heroes क्या है? Plural and singular will be hero. Clear? Dear students, in your book आपका जो हीरो है उसका प्लूरल क्या दिया गया है? HOROES. That is wrong. Plural will be HEROES. Heroes. Photo, photos. Mice, mouse. Mice is plural, mouse is a singular. Clear? Now come on next exercise. Change the nouns in the bold into their plural form. Change the nouns in bold. जो भी bold में, जैसे child है यहाँ पे foot है, into their plural form. किस में change करना उसको? उनकी plural form में, and rewrite the sentences. So first में bold क्या है? Child and foot. Plural of child will be children and foot feet. So what will be the sentence? When the children entered the room, his feet were dirty. Clear? When the children entered the room, his, यहाँ क्या था आपका? foot. Plural क्या होगा? feet. were dirty. Second is the police caught the thief easily. So what is here in bold? thief. और F को रिमूव करके आप क्या करोगे? VES. So plural will be the police caught the thieves easily. Clear? Our third is the church opened at 8 in the morning. So what is involved? church, जो भी नाउन CH SH डबल SX पे एंड होगा उसके साथ आप क्या लगा दोगे? ES. सो CHURCHES, churches. The churches open at 8 in the morning. Clear? Our fourth is the woman gave the baby some toys. So what is involved? Woman and baby. Plural of woman will be WOMEN and plural of baby will be BABIES. So sentence is the woman gave the baby some toys. Clear? Fifth is the cat ran after the mouse. So what is here? Cat and here mouse. So plural of cat will be cats and mouse mice. The cats ran after the mice. Clear? Now change the nouns in bold into their singular form and rewrite the sentences. Change the nouns in bold. जो भी आपके bold में है उसको किस में चेंज करना है? Singular form and rewrite the sentences. The birds sat on the branches of the tree. So in bold what is here? Birds and here branches. So singular will be bird and here branch. The bird sat on the branch of the tree. Clear? Second is the lions killed the giraffes. So here what is in bold? Lions and giraffes. So singular will be lion and giraffes giraffe. The lion killed the giraffe. Third is the leaves fell down from the trees. So here leaves singular will be leaf. Clear? क्योंकि F को रिमूव करके क्या लगा दोगे? VES when you make plural. So singular क्या होगा? leaves का leaf. The leaf fell down from the, यहाँ पे क्या? trees, here tree. Fourth is the heroes acted well in the movies. Heroes and here movies. So heroes का singular क्या होगा? hero and movies movie. The hero acted well in the movie. Clear? Our fifth is those men have strong bodies. Those men. Clear? यहाँ पे क्या है? man. Singular will be MAN man. Bodies body. Those men यानी कि men बहुत सारे हैं तो man के लिए क्या लगाओगे? that man has a strong body. Clear? Our sixth is the boxes are kept on the tables. Boxes and tables. So boxes के लिए क्या लगाओगे? Singular box. Tables table. The box R है यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? is kept on the table. The ladies are standing under the trees. Ladies. Ladies का सिंगुलर क्या होगा? lady. क्योंकि प्लूरल बनाओगे तो y को कट करके क्या लगा दोगे? IES. lady. The lady is R है यहाँ पे, यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा? is standing under the tree. Clear? Yes ना? So what is in this exercise? In this exercise what you have to do? You have to change the nouns in bold into their singular form. जो भी bold में nouns हैं उनको उनकी singular form में change करके rewrite the sentences. Clear? Now come on next page. What is here? Complete the crossword puzzle using the hints given below. So what is here? Here is a crossword puzzle and what you have to do, you have, it is hint is given here, जैसे plural of donkey डाउन साइड है, क्लियर, इस तरह से है, और अक्रॉस वाला इस तरह से है. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू टेक हिंट फ्रॉम बिलो साइड एंड यू हैव टू फिल दिस crossword puzzle yourself. So we will do up to here, clear? So we will meet you soon. Till then, have a nice day, stay safe, and thank you. And your homework is to do all these exercise in your grammar book and learn all the rules what is given in your book. Okay.